Assalamu alaikum Murtaza. So this is the first project which I wanted to demonstrate you, and the concept of this project is that this website storetest.doapps.com is basically a container application, and just like the Google Play Store and the App Store, but we can download different apps for our mobiles from the Play Store and App Store. But the concept over here is that this container application is running the sub applications within itself, right? So this was developed by another team, but I have worked on one of the app that is basically running on this Do App Store, right? So I'm just going to show you. I will give you the username and password as well for this application for you to check the functionality. So I'm gonna log in with my username and password, and then I'm going to click on Toolbox, then App Inbox, and from here I'm gonna search on Social Wall. I just write the social, so it will search for the application. Okay, so this is the Social Wall Pro 1.1, right? And when we click on this button, configure, so it will open up the configurator, right? And what this configurator do, this will fetch the messages from Twitter and from Facebook and different networks, and mix those messages into different visual components and show them in front of us. So when you will check this out, you can see the functionality, but I'm just giving you demonstration. So over here we have different networks. We can add other networks as well. So as you can see right now, 4 networks are supported: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and mobile, right? And on the Twitter, we are monitoring the music hashtag, right? And it has right now 28 messages, and all messages have been approved. So if we click on this approve tab, we can see these messages displaying over here, right? So we can search different messages as well. If I am going to write some of the keyword over here, and I'm gonna collect click on collect message, so it will collect different messages from the live streaming or from the REST API from Twitter side, right? So these are the visual components, those are displaying the messages, and below this section we have a visualize your messages. So these are different templates, right? Mosaic is basically a template in which the message will be visualized or will be displayed in the form of a mosaic style. Then we have a simple message display template, then we have a message circle template, and then we have a Polaroid template, right? Let me show you about the mosaic. I click on mosaic, and then I'm going to preview social wall. So as you can see, the background of this template has been um, displayed in a mosaic style, but the messages are showing or displaying in front of us like an animation, and displays on the screen for a certain set of time, like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, right? So this is the and this programming which I was talking about on the telephone, that is I have developed this in JavaScript, pure JavaScript and canvas programming. Similarly, we can view other templates as well. Let's say message circle. I'm going to preview that. So in this template, the messages will be displayed in the form of circles, right? I think something, I think there is only one message that's displaying in this template. Let me switch to the other. Okay, so this is the simple message template, and the animation of the messages are displaying over here, right? So these are the different templates which I have worked on, and I have also worked on this configurated window. So basically, this is the demonstration for how you can log into this app, and you can show, you can test the HTML and all that. So I also have the code for this configurator, and this is the code, all of the code for the configurator that is displaying the messages. And in this code, basically, I have used the Angular 1.1 in this project, and these are as you can see, these are the directives. Those are used for the Angular, and all of this programming is being controlled by the controller, JavaScript controller, and that is basically the social media controller. If we open up the controller, and we have this social media controller, so this JavaScript file has all the code in it. So this is all the standard Angular syntax, and I mean everything is in JavaScript, so there's a lot of code over here because this controller is controlling all of the configurator, the displaying of these messages, and all of this functionality is being controlled by this controller. So that is why there is a lot of code. So I will send you these code samples as well, if you needed them. But this is the first project, so I just wanted to make a video for that, to for you to easily go log in and check the functionality. So thank you very much, and I'm gonna add few more videos for the other projects as well. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.